on its lawful course at 29.999 miles per hour.
This American Navy dirigible is going nowhere. The giant airship is not going up. Yet the Los Angeles is on her severest test. She will stay there at the mooring mast for a whole year. She is the only big military dirigible left in the world, for the Graf Zeppelin is a commercial ship. And now, after the loss of America's other dirigibles, the Navy are going to submit the Los Angeles to a year's trial by the elements: heat, cold, rain, snow, sleet, and gale. So the veteran airship is on her hardest voyage, going nowhere.